Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give calendar access to others in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to coordinate schedules with team members or allow someone to manage your appointments on your behalf. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your account features are properly synced and ready to use. Once your email has loaded completely, we need to navigate to your calendar section. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see various menu icons. Click on the calendar icon to switch from your email view to your calendar menu. This is where all your scheduling and sharing options are located. Now that you're in your calendar view, we can begin the process of granting access to others. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools are located. Make sure you're under the Home tab. From there, find the Share section. Within this area, you'll see a button labeled Calendar Permissions. Go ahead and click on it. This button is specifically designed to manage who can view or edit your calendar. After clicking Calendar Permissions, a Calendar Properties window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure exactly who has access and what level of permissions they'll have. To add someone new, click on the Add button. This action will bring up a user selection window. The user window that appears will display your contacts and directory. Browse through and select the user you wish to give calendar access to by clicking on their name. Once you've highlighted the person you want to add, click on the Add button located below the selection area. You'll notice the contact's email address is now added to a field confirming your selection. Once you see their email has been added, click on OK to confirm. You'll now be taken back to the Calendar Properties window, and you should see the contact's email listed under the Permission tab. This confirms they've been successfully added. To finalize these changes, click on Apply to save your settings, then click on OK to close the window and complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully given calendar access to someone in Outlook. They should now be able to view or manage your calendar based on the permission level you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.